Texas Adventures with Brexton. On YouTube, Texas designed by 909 Adventures. Jeff! Alright, I got the same situation that Flo has. A lot of ice on the window, but something that I did, which it'll help a little bit, but not a whole lot, but we'll see. I didn't have much cardboard. Let's see if this will work. No, yeah, push that up. Tells you how thick that is, guys. Look how thick that is. Wow. See if I can get this one up. Yeah, I don't think that one's going to come up too easy. No. I don't think it worked. I needed more cardboard. Yeah. Well, I got a gap. I can look out the window. Flo, I'm about to turn the defroster on. Try that a little bit and see what happens. So, we'll see how it goes. Catch y'all in a minute. Here I am inside my car with the car defroster on. Pretty well frozen. Let me see what it looks like in the back. Yep, pretty well frozen back there. Pretty clear over there. Clear over here. Let me get my hand out of the way. Yeah, just on the front window and the back window. There's that little gap I made. The cardboard, there's like one piece of cardboard left. That's all the cardboard I had, guys. It was so funny. But yeah, this is my adventures in Ice Storm 2026, Dallas, Texas. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. I'll catch you in just a little bit.
I wonder if Freya went to school.
No. They don't have school until Wednesday.
Yeah. Okay.
Crazy. Still not going to drive on it. Stay safe out there. Dallas 2026, the ice storm. Have a great day. As I say in all my videos, don't let the road hit you in the butt. See ya! A Hey Mama presentation. Hey Mama! Music by Sooner JH Travels. John!